Jesus is the one who brings fulfillment to broken and bruised lives. I want you to come with me, he says, so that I can teach you this new life that I'm calling you to live in the kingdom of God. It's our natural instinct that when we see this new life about which Jesus speaks, we think, I must try better to get up higher. Jesus makes plain that this new life is not something we can work up. It is something that must come down. The truth of the matter is that this sermon is apparently the most beloved sermon in all the world and probably the most frequently misunderstood sermon. He's wanting to show us the difference between life without Christ and life with Christ. The difference between living for ourselves and living for the glory of God. And one of the striking things about Matthew's Gospel is that it both begins and ends with the notion that Jesus is the King. The response that the people make is, we have never heard anything like this before. They had a sense that the King had come and that the King had spoken and that the King had authority.